Private calling was developed with the enterprise in mind. It offers a simple, scalable, replicable solution to add native number voice and SMS services in your private network. The private calling app, once installed, runs in the background with no interaction from the user. Using the capabilities of your existing mobile phone, private calling users are able to make and receive native voice calls and SMS on their mobile phone in a private network environment. This provides the user the same user experience within the private network that they enjoy in the public MNO macro network. Private calling is a dual SIM solution which allows the enterprise to retain all of the benefits and advantages of a private network. The signal strength indicator on the right shows connectivity to the private network, and the signal strength indicator on the left shows connectivity to the macro network. The LTE or 5G indicator lets the user know which network the handset is connected to, and whether it is an LTE or 5G network. In this example, we are connected to a private LTE network. Looking at the handset connectivity a bit closer shows that the handset is connected to the private LTE network for data traffic, while utilizing the public network SIM to authenticate and route IMS traffic over the private network. One of the many benefits of the private calling solution is the simplicity of the solution for both the enterprise and the user. For the user to place a call, they simply open the native dialer app on the handset, dial the number they are calling, and hit send. No changes by the user are needed. Notice that the LTE indicator for the private network is always active, indicating that the call is made via the private network. For a user to receive a call, nothing changes. The phone will ring and the user will answer the call. Notice again that the LTE indicator for the private network is always active, indicating that the call is made via the private network. For SMS, the user utilizes the native messaging app for both sending and receiving messages. Nothing changes for the user while connected to the private network versus the public network for voice and SMS services. The private calling solution is a handset-based solution. It does not require any new hardware or software to be added to either the private network environment or the public MNO network environment. This greatly simplifies the deployment for both the enterprise, the users, and the public MNO network carriers.